How about a nice hand for the Franklin Bluegrass Band?
Check 1, 2.
Check.
Check 1, 2.
All right, thank you folks very much. And how about a nice hand for Mr. Larry Chun today? He's done a nice job emceeing all day long. He's a fine gentleman, good friend of bluegrass music. Good picking and singing and dancing. He don't pay me a bit to say that. Folks, right now it's a pleasure to be on the stage and entertain you. We'd like to do you a song that was made famous down through the years by Bobby and Sonny, the Osborne brothers, one called the Cuckoo Bird. Oh, the cuckoo, she's a pretty bird. She warbles as she flies, but I never give her water till the 4th day of July. It is often that I wonder why we're love men, and I look back and I wonder why men are men. Oh, the cuckoo, she's a pretty bird. She warbles as she flies, but I never give her water till the 4th day of July. Gonna build me a castle on a mountain so high, so that I can see my true love as she passing by. Oh, the cuckoo, she's a pretty bird. She warbles as she flies, but I never give her water till the 4th day of July.
Mighty good, boys. The Franklin Bluegrass Band with the Cuckoo. All right, Murphy Ridge from Cullioca, Tennessee.